You're watching Dancehall and News TV. Subscribe now and turn on your notification bell so you will be notified of new uploads. Okay, let's talk about Jahmiel. Known for his positive, uplifting and enlightening tracks about life and taking a better road to success, recording artist Jahmiel gives us a different side. As a 20-something-year-old male in the age of social media, where many are navigating relationships through DMs and likes, it is truly refreshing to hear someone profess his true love for that one special lady. Throughout the single titled You Me Love, Jahmiel delivers poignant lyrics over a sensational beat produced by Dancehall Productions. Torn between two young ladies, Jahmiel makes it clear that he is ready to settle down with this one special lady who has been there for him through it all. You Me Love is currently garnering a lot of international attention and bringing on a new set of fans for Jahmiel. With over 4.5 million views on YouTube, You Me Love has increased Jahmiel's female fan base and notoriety on the international scene. With radio spins in the Caribbean, America, and Europe, You Me Love was recently a featured track on Sway's Universe project, the A&R Roadshow, released on. With an album in the works for 2018 and a US tour set to kick off mid-January, Jahmiel is focused and already showcase his musical artistry for the world. And that is the latest news on Jahmiel. Please remember to subscribe, share and like the video. Until the next video, respect each other. I'm out.